Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this trigonometric challenge before us. It's a trigonometric identity problem, okay? So we're going to look at how we solve this challenge, right? So, but before we go ahead, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like my video, and of course, give me a comment in the comment section. Just tell me how you feel about the solution to the approach I'm going to be applying. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, please, I will urge you to give me a comment, tell me what you feel about my video, and then of course, share and like my video. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's look at the question. We have 2 over 1 minus cos x plus 2 over 1 plus cos x. So what will be the result of this? What will be the result? And so let's see how we solve this kind of problem. Okay. We need some knowledge of trigonometric identities, okay, to be able to successfully do justice to this question. So what we need to do is, I'm just going to put down the question: 2 over 1 minus cos x plus 2 over 1 plus cos x. So what I'm going to do is to find the LCM. The LCM of the denominator will be 1 minus cos x times 1 plus cos x. And of course, by rule of LCM, 1 minus cos x will cancel out 1 minus cos x. So we're going to have 2 times 1 plus cos x. 2 times 1 plus cos x. Plus 1 plus cos x will cancel out 1 plus cos x. And then we have 2 times 1 minus cos x. So we're going to expand. We're going to expand and simplify both the numerator and then the denominator. So what we're going to have now is we have 2 plus 2 cos x plus 2 minus 2 cos x all over, okay, all over 1 plus cos x. That's, once we expand this bracket, we get 1 plus cos x, then minus cos x minus cos squared x. So at the numerator, 2 cos x and minus 2 cos x will cancel each other out. Then at the denominator, you have cos x minus cos x will cancel out each other. Then of course, numerator will remain, will be left. We are left with 2 plus 2 at the numerator. So we are going to have 4 all over 1 minus cos squared x. 1 minus cos squared x at the denominator. So at the denominator. So what we're going to have now is that we should recall that sine squared x plus cos squared x equal to 1. This is a trigonometric identity, okay? One of the few basic ones, okay? And then from here, since we are looking for substitution of 1 minus, we are going to make a substitution for 1 minus cos squared x. So in that case, sine squared x will give us 1 minus cos squared x. So in place of 1 minus cos squared x, we are going to replace, put sine squared x. So this becomes, 4 over 1 minus, now becomes 4 over sine squared x. So I'm going to further rewrite this to 4 times 1 over sine squared x, which I'm still going to further write as 4 times 1 over sine x all squared. And then I'm now going to look for the identity for 1 over sine x. So for the identity for 1 over sine x is cosec x. Cosec x. Also recall that 1 over sine x is equal to cosec x. Cosecant, okay? This is sine. This is cosecant. So this one is shortened as cosec. And here we now have it that 4 times 1 over sine x squared will give us 4 times, since 1 over sine x is cosec x, so we have cosec x all squared, okay? And then we have 4 cosec squared x. So this is the result. Therefore, we can say that 1 over 1 minus cos x, sorry, not 1, 4, sorry, 2 rather. 2 over 1 minus cos x plus 2 over 1 plus cos x. When simplified, will give us 4 cosec x. Cosec squared x. Cosec squared x. That is the final result. Guys, I see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and